Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Atlas Navi token. Ticker symbol is NAVI, Navy. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, before we get into this, there is a warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before thinking about investing in this token. It says, the smart contract owner can mint new tokens. So please proceed with caution. So definitely be aware of that. Now, when the dev can alter the amount of tokens, change the smart contract, taxes, that type of stuff, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be scammy when they can do things like this. So definitely be aware of that warning and thoroughly do your own research before even thinking about investing in this token. Now, this token price today is at 6.1 cents per token. It's actually just down 1.5% today, which isn't a big deal. CoinGecko has their Etherscan on here, price chart, contract address, webpage, which is atlasnavy.com, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube channel, and Instagram. So tons of socials on here. So there's a couple different ways to get this token. You can get it in a decentralized way by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, then going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Navi token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. And there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off Uniswap. Now, if you want to get it off a centralized exchange, you can get it off of Kucoin or you can get it off gate.io. Open an account on either one of those central exchanges by downloading it on your mobile or PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NAVI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token from Gate or Kucoin. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,283 holders, 4,166 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 300 million tokens. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, they do have staking. There's a big staking section here. You can download their app, contact info, their vision, token info, project info. It says Drive to Earn, Artificial Intelligence Navigation app. So you can download it from the App Store, Google Play Store. There's links on their webpage. It says, we are members of NVIDIA Inception Accelerator and approved developers with Waymo by Google. So I guess they're partners with NVIDIA and Waymo, so that's pretty cool. It says, Drive to Earn, get better routing with artificial intelligence. You can own your own NFT car. Gain driver score. It has over 200,000 downloads, 14 million miles driven, 450,000 daily miles, and $2.6 million total raised, it says. So the automotive partners, 12 plus automotive brand agreements will be unveiled over the course of the year with dual promotion. Agreements with other licensing companies for over 340 different vehicle NFTs, creating the very best navigation app with cutting-edge technologies such as machine learning and blockchain. Atlas Navi is set to become the leading navigation choice for drivers around the world. What I like about this page so far is no typos, which is very rare. No grammatical errors or typos, which is extremely rare in the crypto world to have. Even blockchains and these, real technical papers, tons of grammatical errors. I mean, a lot of them are translated, so that could be the issue, but still, get someone professional to translate them, right? But anyways, drive to earn for each mile driven. Choose a 3D vehicle NFT, so that's cool. Increase rewards by upgrading your vehicle NFT. Organize group trips. Add members to your group trip so you can see your friends on the map on a road trip. Track each other. Follow the leader. Communicate via walkie-talkie audio chat. These are all cool features here. 3D NFT vehicles, futuristic 3D vehicles seen on map, fully licensed 3D models, automotive brands, garage with vehicle configuration, upgrade your vehicle, see others on the map, rarity-based NFTs limited for each country. It's got AI detection, switch to AI view to see exactly what the camera is detecting. It's got dash cam recording, video recording of the road ahead stored on device or in the cloud. Full trip history, distances and addresses, record road footage content, see statistics around speed and driving behavior, upload trip videos on the Atlas Navi cloud, which is optional. Add your real-life car, receive maintenance alerts for insurance inspection and road tax expiration, recalls from the manufacturer, preventative maintenance alerts, deals on new vehicles from our automotive partners. And lastly, live stream your trip. Share your road trip video in real time. Allow your friends to see what your camera sees instantly without downloading the app. Crazy. So then you can click on how it works, and that'll probably take you over to a technical paper there. It's got better routing, real-time information, drive to earn. There's videos here you could watch, little gallery videos. You can refer your friends to the app. A library of 100 TB of images with vehicles, pedestrians, potholes, accidents, roadwork, police vehicles, and other more algorithms. Yeah, and then they've been seen in different articles here like Entrepreneur, MSN, Business Insider, yada, yada, yada. They got their crypto partners on here. It looks like they're a company from Singapore. They have tons of socials. You could sign up to a newsletter. All this type of stuff is on here. And again, partners with NVIDIA and Waymo, they say as well. So that's pretty cool. Check it out. This token just got listed on CoinGecko today. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.